The built environment has this particular problem where, unlike cars, where we're replacing them every 7 to 10 years, the buildings around us are here, many of them before we were born, and many of them are going to be here after we're no longer here. And they're all unique. There's millions upon millions of them on the planet, and inside of them are billions of pieces of equipment that is using energy every day. How do we deal with that? How do we decarbonize that? We can't put up new ones and replace all the old ones, and that's where autonomous control is so powerful. So we often allude to the self-driving car as the most clear example of the application of autonomous AI. So this thing that could learn its environment and be making real-time decisions without humans in the loop, in the case of a car, to get you from point A to point B safely. Buildings are very large, typically complex systems, and today they're purely reactive, purely responding to what the thermostat or the CO2 or the humidity sensor is telling it. There's outcomes that AI can deliver to you that we've never been able to do before. In the case of a building, by the time our AI platform is done learning that building, no matter how big it is, behind me are office towers, 30, 40, 50 stories high. They probably have something like 2, 3, 4, 500 HVAC zones. Well, by the time it's done learning that building, it can forecast the thermal behavior at each of those zones, reaching out the next 6, 7 hours with a super high level of accuracy. You've in essence given a system that only knows what the thermostat is saying now and doesn't even know what's going to happen in 5 minutes, and turned it into a system that has a very accurate forecast of the future going out the rest of the day. And just as a stat today, we're creating and implementing over 2 million decisions a day from the cloud to the buildings we're connected to. 2 million. 2 million decisions that are only good for that moment in time because the AI knows the weather now and knows the weather in a few hours. Because the AI platform knows the cost of energy now and how it could change in the next 2 hours. Because it knows the occupancy now. And that autonomous AI platform is just so powerful for the built environment. We understand, especially in the last 2 years, that there is just a lot of hype around AI. Now, we have been working on AI for now going on to 8 years. First applying autonomous AI, now applying generative AI to the built environment to get to that decarbonization end state we need to get to. We are really focused on very practical outcomes. We don't do something with AI because it's cute. We do it because it can literally reduce emissions at a grand scale. It can optimize thousands of buildings. It can optimize millions of pieces of equipment in real time. We really want to make an impact. It is our mission statement to save the planet with AI. If there is no real impact, we just won't spend time doing it. So when we are looking to apply tools to the particular difficulties of the built environment, we're really looking for an impact at scale, and AI can deliver that to us.